Alright, so we're doing first derivative test on the interval 0 to 2 pi f of x equals 1 half x minus sine x. First we want to find the derivative of the function. Okay, so first part, this is a two-part. Take the first derivative of this portion. So first derivative of 1 half x is 1 half. This negative sign, first derivative of sine x is cosine x. Okay, so now to find a critical value of 0, we want to set the first derivative equal to 0. And solve with algebra. Multiply the whole equation by -1 gives us cosine x equals 1 half.
Okay, and then once we've found the derivative, we need to find where the function is increasing and where the function's decreasing. And And first, to do that, we set up a interval table. And we have the interval, the test value, and then the sine of f prime at x for the test value. And then we write the intervals on top. It isn't. And then for the test values, we use pi fourths. And when you plug that into the derivative, it comes back as -0.27, so the sign is negative. And then for the next interval, we used pi halves, which comes back at 0.3, so that's positive. And then we used 11 pi 6 for the next interval, and that comes back at -0.36, so the function's decreasing.
And just in summary, the question asks for the critical values of that function, which are noted on the graph. At pi thirds, there's a change in slope, and at 5 pi thirds, the slope changes back. At pi thirds, the slope goes negative, or the slope changes from negative to positive. At 5 pi thirds, it remains positive, or from pi thirds to 5 pi thirds, it remains positive, and then from 5 pi thirds, once it reaches 5 pi thirds, it goes back to negative.